Okay, we're pushing record here. Camera 1. Is that rolling? Is it rolling? Yes, it's rolling. All right, here we go, camera 2. And yeah, camera 1 sync. Any last words before we go, Meathead? You ready to go? You ready to trust the science? Do you think this is going to keep you safe? I sure hope so, but I don't think so. We'll see. Here we go, baby. And I would just like to thank Tammy Arcus for the donation of this lovely beanie that she has donated for the science. Yes, it's a lovely thing. Thank you very much. And here we go. Off to an interesting start. No sparks yet. Oh, let's take the temperature. All right, let's see here. Temperature in the face, 61. Temperature in the hat, 64. 63 in the face. Oh, we're changing directions. Gonna mix it up now, okay. 60, 64 in the face. Did I just see a spark there? 63 in the hat. Not a significant difference. I think we see the sparking there. There you go. Oh, goodness. Hang on to your hat, Meathead. I don't think it's keeping you safe, honey. I do not think it's keeping you safe. Tammy, I'm really sorry about your hat, honey. Well, that marks the end. What do you think? Should we keep going? Let's keep going. I mean, as long as we're going, we might as well keep going. Oh, you know, I forgot the fire extinguisher. We should probably get that. What do you think? We'll blow it out when it comes back around. What do you think? I was hoping the head was going to explode at some point. We have fully engulfed hat. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to shut this down. Hang on here. Oh, goodness. Yeah, maybe we should get the fire extinguisher. Yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, so, yeah. So, how do you feel, Meathead? How do you feel? Do you think it kept you safe? Okay, Matt. Okay, buddy. I think I'm gonna get some safe breathing air. This is getting toxic.